everybody, it's your girl Cece. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, first makeup tutorial of 2021. I'm so hyped for this look. So I was going to wait and do like a Valentine's Day look, but I just saw this liner in my stash and I was just inspired to use this liner. It is from Anastasia Beverly Hills from their Norvina collection. This is the Electric Cake Liner little trio that they had. Now, I really liked how the color turned out, but girl, this right here is absolute trash. Like, I'm definitely throwing that away after this is over because, listen, I should not have to dig that much. Like, look at that. I had to dig that much into the product just for one application of liner. Like, that is ridiculous, especially considering what I paid for this. So, and there's no way that I'm going to be able to sanitize that and like give it away to anybody or sell it. So I'm just going to trash it. I do really like how this liner turned out with this kind of like soft glam colors. I think it is just so pretty, fall appropriate. I absolutely love the way all of my makeup turned out. My eye makeup, my face makeup. I actually used a new mascara that you guys have to try because girl, away from the camera, you can actually see little hints of lashes pushing through. I'm like, okay. So yes, I am so hyped for this video. I hope that you guys enjoy the tutorial. If you do, you already know what to do. Leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment and definitely subscribe and also hit the bell so that way you get all notifications of any videos that I post. Thank you guys so much for watching and let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. All right, so let's get into it. So I'm going to set my lids with just this eyeshadow from Maybelline in the shade Linen. I'm going in with the oldie but a goodie, the AFU palette that I got off Amazon. I did review this before. I will link that video below if you guys want to check it out. But I'm basically just taking these first two shades and I'm just kind of applying this to build up in the crease. And then I'm applying kind of a mid-tone brown with a kind of like a crease brush, and then I'm just going back in with another crease brush, like a blending brush, and I'm just going to blend this out. And then I'm taking this another deeper brown shade called Pumpkin and applying that in the crease, but a little bit higher up this time, just to kind of like give like a nice gradient effect. So when we're done, it'll look really like nice and seamless and blended. And then for the highlight shade, I'm going into this palette and I'm using this yellow shade called Banana. It doesn't really show up that well on the eye, but that's the reason that I like it for a highlight shade. And then I'm going to go back into that AFU palette and just one more time and apply a really deep brown just to kind of smoke out the crease. I'm using my NYX glitter primer and girl, do not judge me because this drink is old as heck. But for my lid shade, I'm using this really iridescent purple shimmer called Lollipop. It is so pretty. I really thought I was going to have to apply another shade on top, but this shade was actually really pigmented on its own. So I was like, okay, Violet Voss, I see you pushing through. Okay, so here we go with this liner. Like, girl, I definitely had to speed up this portion because as you guys will see, it was literally taking forever to dig in here and build up the color. I mean, I made it work and everything, but girl, this was just way too much work for a liner. Okay, Okay, so now I'm going in with this new mascara I just got. It is by IT Cosmetics and it's called the IT Lash Blowout. Girl, this mascara is so, so good. You definitely want to check it out because it actually makes your lashes look like you have lashes. Like if you have short, stubborn lashes like mine that will not do nothing with mascara, like girl, this is a freaking godsend. Like I'm definitely going to order the full size. You already know what it is, the Fenty Beauty Matte Mascara Foundation. The Fenty Beauty Foundation, you guys know I am freaking obsessed with this foundation. Like it has been on my ride or die for a long time now, so I definitely had to come through with that for this look. And this is a new product that I'm trying out. It's the Makeup Forever HD powder. I know. Like I am like the last person to get on this train. It's actually pretty decent. And then for my bronzer, I'm going in with my Motives Miami Glow bronzer. You guys have seen me use this before, but I haven't used it in a while. So I definitely wanted to bust this back out. And this is a new blush for me. It's the Bare Minerals Gen Nude blush, and the shade is called Call My Blush. It's actually really nice. I like this one too. It just gives a nice flush of color to the face. And then I'm going in with this Wet n Wild loose liner. It's called Get Lit or something like that. I'm So Lit. That's what it's called. I'm So Lit. But this has been a ride or die for a while too, because I mean, look at it. Like my face is beaming, okay? Like I am obsessed with this highlight. All right, so I'm going to set the face with the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. And then I'm going to go in with liner. This liner is by Motives Cosmetics. It's called Mocha. Wasn't really feeling it. Didn't really give a lot of pigmentation. It was just okay. And then the lip gloss that I'm going to go in with next is also by Motives Cosmetics. It is a orange shade, and that was also okay too. I mean, it has an orange tint to it. It looks really nice with a darker lip liner, but it's just okay. I mean, it's nothing really special about it to me. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time in my next one. Bye.